see you keep up. Boss in the market, sparking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So right now we're gonna meet up with one of my friends. He got the 435i with the upgraded turbo, with the upgraded top mount. So we're gonna do a review on his car. But first and foremost, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe before y'all go any further into the video. And make sure y'all watch the full video, man. This video is gonna be a banger, so make sure y'all stay tuned for it and watch the full video, as I said. And also, if y'all didn't see the video when I tuned the F10 535 on E30, make sure y'all go check it out. And also, I'm on the MHD tune stage 2 plus E30, so that's what I'm running on the 535 right now. So let's get it, man. I'm gonna pick up by the camera when I get to the location. Okay guys, so we just pulled up. So this is the Omi car. You got the top mount turbo with the performance coil pack, and this is the 440i. Shit clean as fuck, man. Got a nice ass heat exchanger right there. So you just started up just now. Nice little cold start. Let me show y'all a little walk around real quick. Got the nice ass steering wheel right there. Soon I'm gonna have to get a steering wheel to put in the 535 F10. But yeah, man, thing sounds nice. Can't rev it, you know. Huh? Give one little rev, man. Yeah. So you're gonna rev it a little bit to hear the turbo spool real quick. Damn, that shit sounds good, man. If y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Damn, this shit sounds good. Damn, that shit sounds good. guys, we're at the gas station right now. We're about to get some E. The boys testing the ethanol content, but this is gonna be the end of the video. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And peace. I'll catch you in the next one.